G'day you mob, welcome to this episode of Aussie English. I'm your host Pete, and this is another episode of Aussie Slang, the Aussie Slang series where I teach you words, terms, expressions that are used down under. Don't forget guys that if you want access to the bonus episodes from this series, every second episode I am now publishing for members only on the Aussie English platform. You can check that out down below or in the card up above, for either the premium podcast membership or the academy membership. So you'll get access to the transcript, the video, everything like that. Anyway, today's episode is the word arse. Just the word arse. And this is used a lot in Australian English. I mean, I have on the side here on my computer, I've just made a series of expressions, listed them all out using the word arse, and I have almost 20 different expressions that use that word in Australian English, in Australian slang. So anyway, the word arse, what do you reckon it means? It means bottom, bum, behind, buttocks, derriere, if you want to use the French and be a bit more haughty-taughty, a little more posh, right? Americans would say ass. They would say ass. Australians use the longer vowel, that R vowel, like saying the word car, and we say arse. So some of the expressions that you'll hear when I make this video going through all of these are, for example, that someone is an arsehole. They're a horrible person. Or maybe you were going for a jog, you went down a hill and you fell on your ass, right? You fell on your bottom. Maybe you rolled down the hill and you went arse over tit. Right? That's a good example too. Another informal Australian expression for roll over, right? To fall and tumble. So there you go, guys. That is the word today, arse. Try and use that in a comment below. Show me that you've understood what it means and how to use it. And for all the other episodes, make sure to click this link up here in the cards and you will see the playlist of all the other Australian slang terms. And I will see you next time. Peace.